Guy, checking back with you guys for a third episode live in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Today we are going to, we're gonna go ahead and check out a spot called NDSM today. It was a former shipyard way back in the early 1900s. They would make military equipment and things like that out there. It's big, it's known for its street art and its graffiti scene, which is right up my alley. Bushwick, you know, the Bushwick Brooklyn vibes. Any type of street art that is incorporated with an area leads to just a little bit more liberalism slash open-minded thinking, which is right down my alley, and that is what we want and what we need. So let's go check out some sick-ass street art and soak up some cool vibes. You guys stay tuned and we'll all check it out together at the end of the day. Let's get it.